Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic, and I will call it as a tail of a nail. Now what is tail of a nail? It's related to our nail. Okay, so we will discuss how nail is formed. You ever wondered that how nail is formed, why it is transparent, when the nail is formed in our body, and what are the different problems associated with that? Nail is actually a window for the different conditions which a doctor can diagnose by just looking at your nail. So today we will discuss how nail is formed. So why it is called as a nail? Do you ever wonder why it is called as a nail? Nail, it's a old English word nagel, okay, and which it is also meaning a tapering metal pin. So the nail and a metal nail, it has a similar type of name resemblance, and the name came as a nail, nail. Okay, so now when the nail is formed in our body, so when the baby is 4 months old in a mother's womb, imagine 4 months old baby, and the nail starts forming in our body. What are the different part of the nail? So nail is not just a beauty part of our body, it has a very important role. It's a very highly versatile tool. When you touch your finger with a finger pad, this is called as a finger pad. When you touch it, the nail gives a back support which improves the tactile sensation, that is touch sensation. Bodies inside in the nail bed, they are called as a glomus bodies. They help in the thermoregulation, that is cold and heat temperature sensing improved with that. They are our first barriers with a high mechanical stress. These are the fingertips are protected by your nails, because everything we try to touch, the nail gives a good support to your fingers. So they are very important in that part. I will call nail as a unit. So any abnormality in formation of the nail can result into functional and cosmetic issues. Okay, so I will just in short tell you what are the part of the nail. Okay, as you can see, the nail has a nail plate, this part, which is transparent. If you see this part is called as a proximal nail fold. It has a lateral nail folds. Then the nail bed, the bed on which your nail, the hard part, rest, is called as a nail bed. You can see a small whitish moon-like half moon shaped area just at the initial part of your nail, that is a lunula. And matrix is the area from where the nail grows up. So these are in general the parts. This is called as a cuticle. Cuticle is the part of the skin which covers it. Why nail is that much hard? Okay, it is formed by special cells, keratinized squamous cells, which gives its hardness. That's why it becomes that hard plate. Then just before your nail forms, this small area is like a box. Box means it has a roof, it has a floor. Okay, and the nail plate, the hard part of it grows from that area. So why it is the roof and a floor? The floor is the area where the matrix is there. Matrix is a germinal matrix, it is called, because the nail grows from that part. From the roof part, the nail plate grows in front and it comes outwards. Ever imagine why nail doesn't grow up? Why it is a flat, like it goes sideways? This happens because the keratinized cells, they get resistance to grow up, but they spread laterally, and that's why the nail becomes flat. To what speed your nail grows? Nail grows at a speed of 3 to 4 millimeter per month. A completely removed nail takes almost 3 to 6 months to come back completely. You know why your nail shines? The shininess of your nail, because there are special cells which are in this part, that is the roof part, the skin fold you see. Below that area, there are the special cells in that area which gives the shininess to your nail. So as I told, the nail, it has the germinal matrix. So nail will start growing from the germinal matrix, which gives 90% of the growth. Then there is a sterile matrix. Sterile matrix is this area. Okay, so the rest 10% of the nail comes from that area. The nail is fixed to the nail bed. Okay, that area is fixed to it by some fibers below that. It's nicely fixed in that area. At the tip just below that there is a special thing which is naturally produced by our body, which is called as a keratin plug. You ever wondered, when you just clean below your nail, you will find something whitish like thing coming out? It's actually a keratin plug. Is this keratin plug important for us? Yes. The keratin plug contains white blood cells and some lymphocytes. It gives a protection for any infection to enter inside your nail bed. So that is important for it's a natural barrier for giving protection to your nail. Nail has a good blood supply. It is supplied by the two arteries from radial and ulnar side. My nail plate is transparent, but if you see the initial part, it is having some whitish area that is called as a lunula. Now, why the distal part, the rest of the part is transparent? The importance is the cell which forms the nail plate, the initial part, they will have nuclei. Because of nuclei, it will have this whitish color, but as it goes distally, the nuclei are not there. Those cells lack the nuclei. That's why the nail starts becoming transparent. That's an interesting fact. Another interesting thing I would like to tell, what promotes the growth of the nail. So the younger age group, less than 30 years of age, the growth of nail is faster. The people who have longer fingers will have the more growth of the nails. It is also said that in summer months the nail growth is faster. Now, next thing we are going to discuss is about nail plate. Is the nail plate, the hard part, and what importance it is, and how it helps the doctors in diagnosing the different conditions. So the nail color, the shape of the nail, how it is growing, then all these things gives lots of information. That's why I said initially they are the windows of the underlying conditions in all. Well, the next thing I would like to tell you is how to take care of the nail. So how to take care of the nail. If the nail, there are certain nail moisturizers available where you apply this nail moisturizer so that it keeps the nail plate hydrated well. Avoid injury to your nails. Use gloves when required. Avoid frequently washing and keeping their hand or nails wet. Then avoid excessive manicuring of the nails. Avoid too much of using of nail paint remover. Stop smoking. There are certain multivitamins. Like biotin. It helps in improving the health of the nail. So if you have any underlying condition, please get it evaluated by the doctor and treat it as early as possible. So this video I will stop here. In next video we will discuss about various nail conditions, various color changes in a nail or the change in the shape of the nail, which will help the doctor in diagnosing the various underlying health conditions. And if you see any such color change in color over the nail, please meet a consultant and get it evaluated. Thank you for watching me and my videos. We will meet soon. Thank you very much.